Hi there and welcome to the Coldbike.com video channel. Today I'm going to show an emergency, like a trailside repair of a chain. So ordinarily if a chain breaks, you can either replace the chain or put a quick link in. And let's say you're out in the middle of nowhere and you didn't bring a quick link with you, and one of your links happens to be broken. You can take a chain tool, and most multi-tools have a chain tool attachment, and it's definitely something I recommend bringing. And the important part in this is to not send this pin all the way out the far side, because what I'm going to do is, because I'm assuming that I don't have a spare, I'm acting as though I need to reuse that pin. Now in a shop you probably wouldn't reuse that pin. In fact, there's no way you'd want to reuse that pin. But as an emergency trailside repair, if you need to get back home, it might be your only option. So then, when I've taken off my bad link, I'm just gonna put my chain back together. I'm gonna line up this pin with the hole in there. I'm going to back off my chain tool. Oops, wrong way. I'm going to put the tool against the chain against the anvil here. I'm just going to use the chain tool on the end here to push that pin back in. Now, there's a bit of a risk that you're going to bend the pin on your chain tool, so you want to make sure it's lined up nice and straight like that. And then you just tighten it up and push this pin in until we're almost all the way in, and you just watch for, see this end as you watch through this groove here. Once you see the rivet come through, that means that you've got a rivet attached there, and you can go ahead and back off here. And because we've pushed this through, this link is very tight, so I just look for where I've got the most rivet, and wherever I've got the most rivet, I back off the chain tool and misuse it to just give that rivet a bit of looseness. And I keep going like that until my link is loose enough that I'm going to be able to use the chain. And there we go. That's not a real great fix. You won't want to hammer on it or anything, but there's a good chance that it'll get you home, whereas a broken chain is not going to.